idiot that him at the school.
As I'm telling that,
Likkle Wizzies school.
gone last till you get them.
Stitches. Like subscribe and watch Likkle Wizzies.
Yo, what on the chat?
Brother, right now this is a conversation with big fish.
Bigger than me, become big. No argument can be bigger than this. Just tell me the pre-men so that.
You think so much about Symphony Pre?
Bridging, show him on the pre, Bridging.
Alright. You see right now, this your man actually tell me say female girl prettier than me. Right now my girl no pretty. She beautiful. That me I tell you. Right now where she pretty would have cut out Kim Kardashian from one magazine and put her in it.
Yo, that's not right now. My girl pretty youth. Come like she be in a super gen, Bridging.
Yo, my girl hot. If you take a picture of her, the phone will go burn up.
Yo, that's not Bridging. Yo, my girl brown and nice youth. Come like a beer brown where I see it.
Brother, yo, my girl hot. It come like she a give me bun.
What? What did you say?
Yo, right now how my girl nice, she come like a gravy.
Why you keep on talking about food, so food? Every time you talk about the girl, a pure food they use. You make my hungry now.
Brother, I want a little food, you know. You better mind or use girl and food in the same sentence, you know. Oh.
Yo, try style me youth.
Hey, keep the argument civilized. You have to argue when you're talking about girls. You know, my girl now.
Why you go for your girl?
What?
Yeah.
From Definitl3y nation.
Oh, but I wish
Yeah,
nation
no.
that. I wish nation that.
She named Susie.
Susie.
Yeah, you know
No.
which nation she come from? Sir?
Nation that.
The imagination star. And we have one other girl too. You have two.
Yeah.
Yeah, from a different sea.
So I would that know.
Maxi.
Maxi.
Cook dumpling good and dog.
So where she come from?
With fantasy.
Yo, right now my girl on my universe.
So, the girl of my Samsung Galaxy.
S10 Plus.
No, brother. S20. Right now, my girl coming like the cream to my coffee.
Real.
The jerkins to my lotion. And the light to my salvation.
Yo, send us a GPS, you know. Because you like me with a high.
Yo, right now she a pop to my con. Money in my pocket.
Hey, Brooke, so?
That a gone. She had the shit to my poop.
I can't breathe. Oh, my chest is going.
See my girl there.
Say what? Hi guys.
I'm my girl.
Idiot, I'm my girl.
You deaf say I'm my girl.
Bridging, I'm my girl.
Brother, you deaf say I'm my girl. This year.
Feel me girl.
Say, a baby girl.
Say I'm my girl.
Yo,
Say I'm my girl. And me see her first.
Bridging, I'm me see her.
No, and me see her first and tell you about her.
No, youth, I'm me see her first and tell you about her, youth.
She tell me yesterday, say me her girlfriend. Me boyfriend.
Well, me did talk to her from yesterday morning at school.
Yeah, when me did it on the phone with her.
Yo, them two boys are coming like clown, not true?